everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am just going to show you this abstract look. Right here I'm just taking the polish on the brush and doing quick strokes on the nail and then cure that for 30 seconds. And then after that you can go ahead and put on your second coat and then again cure that for 30 seconds. The gel paint that I'm using is called Saviland. I bought this product on Amazon and so far I really like it. It's nice and pigmented and thick. When it's time to cure the gel paint for this product, you want to cure it for 1 minute. I purchased the 36 count. They also offer 26 and 12. I chose the 36 count so I have more color options for future videos and just on like friends and family. As you see in the video, I am using the red color and then I switch right into the black. But whenever I'm doing that, I am curing all of my colors in my gel light so none of the colors bleed into each other. And I just want to remind you all that if you're not familiar with the gel products. I'm using the Macart foil gel glue. You can cure this for 2 minutes in your UV light. This product will help your foil go on a lot better and it's nice and sticky for that to adhere. Last, you can go ahead and apply your gel top coat. I am using D&D's gel top coat, and cure that for 1 minute.